good-looking kickers from Cressi have an open heel design molded from two materials that offer two different characteristics: a strong polypropylene for the blade and soft thermo rubber for the foot and protective inserts. The result is the ProLite, an extremely light and well-balanced fin that's surprisingly responsive while providing considerable power and thrust. The compact blade features a soft rubber center panel that's flanked by thermoplastic stiffeners and flexible yet supportive side rails. This combination provides nice blade flex when kicking and allows you to maintain stability whether you prefer flutter, scissor, or frog-style kicking as you move through the water. The fin has two flaps along the end of the blade, a design which allows divers to change direction with only minimal kicking effort. The blade originates from the upper part of the foot pocket, providing a 20% increase in usable surface area compared to a traditional fin of the same length. The bottom line, the ultra-lightweight ProLites have responsive power with minimal physical effort.